Hello friends, it's me and this is my magic pen. Today we are going to learn colors with Nick and Poli. Nick and Poli are playing in the garden. There are many beautiful flowers in the garden. The flowers are red, blue, yellow, and green. Nick picks up a red flower and hands it to Poli. Hey Poli, look at this flower. It's so beautiful. What color is it? Can you say it? Can you say red? Well done Poli, you said it. Red. Look at these flowers. They are red. This flower is also red, and this one is also red. So all these flowers are the same color. That's right, they are all red. Nick picks up a blue flower and shows it to Poli. Hey Poli, look at this flower. It's so beautiful. What color is it? Can you say it? Can you say blue? Well done Poli, you said it. Blue. Look at these flowers. They are blue. This flower is also blue. And this one is also blue. So all these flowers are the same color. That's right, they are all blue. Nick picks up a yellow flower and shows it to Poli. Hey Poli, look at this flower. It's so beautiful. What color is it? Can you say it? Can you say yellow? Well done Poli, you said it. Yellow? Look at these flowers. They are yellow. This flower is also yellow, and this one is also yellow. So all these flowers are the same color. That's right. They are all yellow. Nick picks up a green flower and shows it to Poli. Hey Poli, look at this flower. It's so beautiful. What color is it? Can you say it? Can you say green? Well done Poli, you said it. Green. Look at these flowers. They are green. This flower is also green. And this one is also green, so all these flowers are the same color. That's right. They are all green. Nick is very happy because he learned the colors with Poli. Let's sing a song. We learned red, we learned blue, we learned yellow and green. We learned the colors with Nick and Poli. We are having so much fun. Now our magic pen has learned all the colors too. Wow. Now let's draw something for Nick and Poli. We will draw a big yellow sun. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. Then we will draw some clouds. The clouds are white. White is the color of milk and cotton. Poli is playing with a blue ball. The ball bounces high in the air. It goes up and down, up and down. Nick is watering the flowers with a green hose. The hose has many colors. Red, blue, yellow, and green. All the flowers are blooming in the garden. A yellow butterfly is sitting on a blue flower. A red ladybug is crawling on a leaf. There is a beautiful rainbow in the sky. The rainbow is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Wow, our drawing is ready. Let's show it to Nick and Poli. Nick and Poli loved the drawing. Thank you so much. You are welcome. It was fun to learn colors with you. Bye-bye. Our magic pen has learned colors with Nick and Poli. Can you say red? Can you say blue? Can you say yellow? Can you say green? If you can say these colors, you are ready for the next adventure. But if you want to practice a little more, it's okay. Watch this episode again. You can do it. Our magic pen believes in you. Bye-bye. Time to test your knowledge. Answer these questions. What color is the sun? What color is the sky? What color is Poli's ball? What color is the hose? How many colors did you see in the rainbow? Write your answers in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Click here to watch more videos with Nick and Poli, or click here to watch more videos with Magic Pen. You can also click here to watch a random video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. It's time for the Magic Pen Show and Tell. Do you have a drawing or a craft you want to show off? Well, you can show it to us by sending a photo or a video. You can also tell us what you learned today. Just remember to say hi. If you want to be in the show, send your photos and videos to the email below. Please ask a grown-up for help. Your grown-ups need to fill out a permission form. You can find the link in the description. If you want to be in the show, make sure to watch this video. If you're shy and don't want to be on camera, you can send a drawing or a craft. We will show it on screen and tell everyone what you learned. Your name will be in the credits and you will get a special shout out. Hello, my name is Name and I am from Location. I really like the color purple, and today I learned that the color purple is made by mixing red and blue. Purple is my favorite color because my favorite animal, a purple frog, is that color. I think purple is a beautiful color. The end. Hello, my name is Name and I am from Location. I drew a picture of my family. My mom likes the color pink. My dad likes the color blue, and my favorite color is green. I showed my picture to my mom and she was very proud of me. The end. Hello, my name is Name and I am from Location. I learned how to write the letters of my name. It is very fun to write my name. I am going to practice writing my name every day. One day I will be able to write really fast. The end. Hello, my name is Name and I am from Location. Today I learned about rhyming words. Cat and hat rhyme and dog and log rhyme. Can you say those rhymes with me? Cat in the hat, dog in the log. It is so much fun to learn new things. The end.